Dear customers from Uzbekistan, you are warmly welcome to visit us. First, we will lead you to explore the exhibition hall, which showcases various advanced LED display technologies to provide you with an excellent visual experience. You will have the opportunity to personally experience LED displays of different sizes and applications, and gain an in-depth understanding of their excellent performance in various scenarios. Next, we will take you into the LED screen aging workshop. In this session, you will witness with your own eyes how the LED display screen passes rigorous aging tests to ensure its reliability and stability under various environmental conditions. This is not only a strong commitment to product quality, but also a practical demonstration of our technical excellence.